Good afternoon, everybody. I would like to welcome you in this lecture of our BME subject, Basic Mechanical Engineering. We are in unit number 6. We have seen construction, main parts of the lathe, and important operations on the lathe. And the important operation, first is the pacing, and second is the turning. And then we have seen different types of the turning. Which are the different types of turning we have learned? Can anybody tell me? Turning चे कोणते कोणते टाइप आपण काल घेतलेले आहेत? Hello?
Straight turning.
Yes.
Stepped turning.
Stepped turning. Yes.
Taper turning.
Taper turning. Good.
Counter turning.
And contour turning.
Yes. These 4 parts we have seen, and I have shown you how the drilling can be done in the lathe machine. Okay, actually the drilling with the lathe machine is not part of syllabus, but you must have the information. Anybody should not have the less information regarding with it. That's why I have shown that operation also. And here today we are going to see the knurling operation. Knurling. Okay. We have heard that word many times. Knurling. But what do you mean by knurling? Knurling म्हणजे नेमकं काय? Knurling means we are going to make some impression on the workpiece or the job. जो काही जॉब तयार झालेला असतो आणि जॉब मध्ये ज्या पार्टला तुम्ही होल्ड करत असता, धरत असता, so such kind of the job where you want to provide a grip to that job, on that part we are doing the knurling operation. Knurling च्या साहाय्याने तिथला जो पार्ट आहे त्या पार्टवर काही इम्प्रेशन आणलं जातं. knurling मुळे एखादा पार्ट छानही दिसतो आणि त्याला एक ग्रिप मिळते. ग्रिप मिळाल्यामुळे काय होतं की तो पार्ट इझिली तुमच्या हातातून सटकत नाही. फ्रिक्शन इज गोइंग टू बी इनक्रीज, अँड ड्यू टू दॅट दिस पर्टिक्युलर सरफेस वी आर मेकिंग रफ in the knurling operation, but we are providing beautiful impressions on it. And today the video regarding with this knurling application, knurling process is in front of you. You can see here, just you will have to tell me what is this part? Now you are familiar with the lathe machine. Which part it is? हा पार्ट कोणता आहे लेथ मशीनचा?
Chuck.
Absolutely correct. Then what is this part?
Job.
Or workpiece. Okay. What is this part? White part? Tailstock. Absolutely correct. And this particular point, pin like structure, what is it? This pin is known by the name of dead center. काय म्हणायचं याला? Dead center. Okay. Dead center. Because it is not going to move, it will remain stationary as it is. Okay. That's why it is known as the dead center, and it is utilized to balance this particular job or to hold the job perfectly. Okay, this dead center is used. Now you can see here workpiece is held in between chuck and dead center, which is attached to the tailstock. And now here, what is it? If this is the workpiece or job, then what is the name of this particular component? काय म्हणायचं त्याला? If you will refer the previous object diagrams which we have drawn yesterday, you can tell easily.
Facing tool.
Huh?
Facing tool.
Facing tool.
Facing tool.
हा, जेव्हा फेसिंग करत असतो त्यावेळी ते टूल फेसिंग टूल असतं, पण ज्यावेळी तुम्ही नर्लिंग करत असता त्यावेळी त्या टूलला काय म्हणणार?
Knurling tool.
Knurling tool.
Obvious, it is a knurling tool. It is not a facing tool. Okay, operation is like facing only, but it is not a facing, it is knurling. And let us see how knurling tool. Knurling tool means what? There are two wheels on which impressions are there. Can you see the impressions? असे रेषा मारलेल्या तुम्हाला दिसतात का तिथं?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Here
sir.
you can see. Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Similarly, here also it is made. Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So such kind of the impressions are here. Okay. Now let us see how it will work. Here they have fit this particular tool, and tool is perpendicular to the workpiece. It is fit now. Some oil we are going to put on the job. त्याचे काही इम्प्रेशन्स आहेत ते इझिली होण्यासाठी आपण काय करतोय? ऑइल त्याच्यावर पाठवतोय. आणि बघा स्पीड थोडासा कमी वाटतोय, आहे का नाही? स्पीड कमी.
Yes, sir.
So chuck speed is very slow. You require slow. And here knurling tool has applied. बघा knurling tool लावलेला आहे, ती व्हील पण फिरते, जॉब पण फिरतोय. Can you see it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Now speed has been increased. And slowly knurling tool, we are moving from right hand side towards left hand side. We are moving it from the dead center towards the chuck. You can see here, knurling is happening. आता मला सांगा, फेसिंग सारखं मटेरियल रिमूव्ह होते का इथं?
No, sir.
तुम्हाला
Yes,
मेटल
sir.
चिप्स
No, sir.
दिसलेले आहेत कुठं?
No.
No.
No, sir.
We can't find the metal chips. See impressions. Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Zigzag
Yes.
impressions.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I think you, many of you have done some workout at the gym. Have you done it?
Yes,
Have
sir.
you lifted a weight?
Yes, sir.
आणि मोठ्या बार मध्ये जिथं तुम्ही होल्ड करता आणि वेट लिफ्ट करता तिथं बार हातातनं सटकू नये म्हणून अशा पद्धतीचं ग्रिपिंग केलेलं आढळतं. Am I correct?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yeah. Such kind of the gripping you can find on the your handle of the bat also, but it is made up with the rubber. रबराचा जो ग्रिप आपण हँडलला घालतो त्याला सुद्धा असेच इम्प्रेशन असतात. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So making such impression on the workpiece, this operation is known by the name of knurling. Okay, I think the concept of the knurling is now clear to everybody. It is
Yes,
not in syllabus, but this is for your additional information. I don't want to just teach you as per as a syllabus point of view. So you can see it very closely how impressions are there on the bar. Now, do you understand the knurling operation?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So friends, let us move today towards, after learning this all turning and facing operation, let us move towards the drilling machine. So drilling is the process of machining holes. Means to prepare the holes, you need to remove the material. एक गोल असा आकार काढून त्या गोलातलं मटेरियल काढून टाकलं की होल तयार होतो. Now you can tell me where you have or you find the hole and for what purpose it is utilized. तुम्ही होल पाहिले असतील अनेक आजूबाजूच्या जगामध्ये. तुम्ही सध्या जिथे बसलाय तिथे पण बाजूला बरेचसे होल तुम्हाला दिसतील. व्हाय सच होल्स आर प्रिपेअर. मला होल सांगायचं, तुमच्या आजूबाजूला तुम्ही कुठलं पाहिलेलं आहे ते आणि त्याचं कारण सांगायचं की कशासाठी प्रोव्हाइड केलेलं आहे. येस, वेअर डू यू फाइंड द होल. कुठे कुठे होल असतात आजूबाजूला पहा जरा.
On the wall for hanging the frames.
Yes, on the wall, and not for hanging the frame. On the wall there is a hole, and in that hole you are putting the nail. खेळा मारताय तुम्ही त्याच्यात.
Yes, sir. Yes.
And that nail is utilized to hang the some picture, photo, or shirt, okay, or some rope, etc., etc. Right? This is one hole. Okay, good example. Second hole, where do you find the hole? Boys side. Tell me, speed up, talk. Yes, boys side.
Fitting nuts.
होल्स आपल्याला आजूबाजूला दिसत आहेत, तुम्हाला होल डिटेक्ट करून सांगता येईल ना. हा, येस, हु विल टेल. कम ऑन. टेल मी फास्ट.
During light fitting.
During light fitting. Okay, once again, during light fitting, you are going to put the hole to the light boards so that board can be fixed to the wall. Good. Third example. Many examples are there.
During the plumbing.
Plumbing operation. Okay. Next. छोटे छोटे डे टू डे लाईफ मधली उदाहरणं आहेत. तुम्ही विनाकारण त्या मोठ्यात अडका लागलाय. तुम्ही मेकॅनिकल पॉइंट ऑफ व्ह्यू विचार करायला लागलाय. टेल मी where you can find the holes. Don't you find hole at your shirt? Why we are using such holes? Hello.
Eyesight.
To the door, to just check who is there outside of our door. Okay, there is one hole. Can you give me some more examples of the hole? Boys, please stop.
Water tank.
Water tank. Yes, water tank, there is a hole, and in that hole we are fixing the tap. नळाची तोटी लावण्यासाठी आपल्याकडे तिथे होल असतो. Yes, good example. Can you give me the simple example?
On drip pipes.
On drip pipes there are hole. Through that water can be get out, means you can get the water outside through such small holes. Any another simple example?
Switchboard.
Bulb holder, sir.
Yes,
Bulb holder.
one student talk at one time. Hello.
Borewell,
Yes.
sir.
Borewell. Yes, borewell, there is a big hole. Okay, borewell, good example. Next.
Pen refill.
Pen refill. Pen refill, it is a pipe, and whatever that hollowness is there of the pipe, you can consider it as a hole. Okay, at the pen, at the entry of the pen, there is a hole through which refill can come outside. Good. Simple example I want to give you. Have you seen the needle which is used for the stitching purpose?
Yes, sir.
काय असतं needleच्या खाली?
Hole, small hole.
There is a small hole. For which purpose it is?
थ्रेड आत जावं म्हणजे
Yes, to just made entry of that thread into that needle. Okay. Second, have you seen the shoes which has less
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So that
Yes,
less
sir.
you are just inserting inside that holes and you are taking it out. Okay, means these holes are utilized to grip that particular lace of your boot. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Any another such a simple example?
Lock, sir.
Clock.
Lock.
Okay, clock. Clock, there is a hole. Do you see, have you seen the key and lock?
Yes, sir. Lock.
Inside
Yes,
the
sir.
lock, there is a hole which is known by the name of keyhole. Am I correct? The
Yes, sir.
structure of keyhole is in this way. This hole is known by the name of keyhole. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So friends, we need to go for a drilling purpose at many places. If you want to just fix some explosive material in the earth surface, especially in the mines, मोठमोठ्या ज्या खाणी आहेत त्या खाणीमध्ये दगड फोडण्यासाठी आपण काय करतो, तिथं सुरुंग लावतो, बरोबर आहे?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
आता तो सुरुंग काय असं उघड्यावर लावला जातो का? फटाके कसे लावतात तसे?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No.
No.
What they are doing? They are digging a hole,
Feeling, huh?
and inside that hole they are filling the explosive material, and then there will be blast and earth surface will be just getting disturbed, and due to that explosion many stone particles will come out. So in the civil engineering, in the mechanical engineering, in the electronics engineering, in the electrical engineering, in computer science and engineering, at many places such kind of these small holes are required. You can see television, radio, etc. Its cover is fitted to its structure. कुणाच्या घरामध्ये टीव्ही असा उघडा आहे का? बाजारात आणताना उघडा करून आणला टीव्ही?
No, sir.
No, everybody has the television in their home, and it has cover, समोर screen and back side ला cover आहे. All mechanism is hidden behind that cover, and how that cover is fixed to that particular screen with the help of nut and bolt arrangement. And to do the nut and bolt arrangement, you need to go for the hole. Okay, when you want to manufacture your furniture, two wooden sheet you are fixing with the hole of the nail arrangement, and that nail we are digging, nail we are we are hammering that nail in the hole. So drilling is the process of machining the hole. Means to preparing the hole we need the drilling operation. Okay, and drilling is a very simple method. This is not a difficult one. Okay, and in that particular drill, it is the multi-point cutting tool is used. Means drilling tool is in this way. This is the drilling tool. It looks like this. And here 3 points are there of cutting. Point number 1, point number 2, and this is the point number 3. And that's why here multi-point cuttings are there, and that's why it is known by the name of multi-point cutting tool. More than 1 points are utilized to cut the surface, आणि म्हणून याला काय म्हणायचं, multi-point cutting tool. You can see in the facing operation we have used a single point cutting tool. फेसिंग ऑपरेशन मध्ये असं फक्त समोरच्या साइडला पॉइंट असणार सिंगल पॉइंट कटिंग टूल आपण यूज केलं होतं. Such kind of the same cutting tool we can utilize for the turning operation also. टर्निंग मध्ये पण अशा पद्धतीने सिंगल पॉइंट कटिंग टूल तुम्ही राईट टू लेफ्ट मूव्ह केलं की तुमचं टर्निंग ऑपरेशन होतं. बट इन ड्रिलिंग वी विल हॅव टू यूज मल्टी पॉइंट कटिंग टूल. ओके, सगळ्याच्या लक्षात आलं मल्टी पॉइंट कटिंग टूल म्हणजे काय?
Yes, sir.
More than one cutting points are there. Okay, and this particular drill is nothing but the cylindrical bar. This is the bar like this. हा काय आहे? एक असा बार आहे आणि सिलेंड्रिकल बार आहे. and it has helical fluids. अशा गोल अशा कर्वड अशा पद्धतीचे तिथे हेलिकल फ्लुइड्स असतात. and radial cutting edges at one end, and here these are the radial cutting edges at the one end. The job is held stationary and motion is given to the drilling tool. वर्कपीस मध्ये काय होत होतो? जॉब स्टेशनरी होता का?
No, sir.
Job was rotating in lathe machine, but in drilling machine job is fixed. हा फरक आहे. आणि तुम्ही लेथच्या साहाय्याने ज्यावेळी ड्रिल केलं होतं तेव्हा सुद्धा तुमचा वर्कपीस फिरत होता, पण तुमचं ड्रिलिंगचं टूल कसं होतं? फिक्स होतं, स्थिर होतं. बट इन ड्रिलिंग totally reverse thing is there. In the drilling operation, this workpiece or job is fixed. In the drilling, job is held stationary, means it is fixed. Job is fixed here. Okay, and cutting motion means circular motion, circular cutting motion, and feed means moving of tool. Okay, so this cutting motion and feed, it was given to the drill. Okay, job was fixed and drill is moving. The drill rotates. Okay, drill rotates and it is fed into workpiece. ड्रिल गरगर गरगर फिरत असतं आणि फिरता फिरता ते पुढच्या दिशेनं काय असतंय ते सरकवलं जातं, त्याला पुढच्या दिशेनं मूव्ह केलं जातं. नाउ sometime to make the hole big, this drilling operation is used. काही वेळा छोटस होल असतं आणि त्या छोट्या होलला मोठ्या होल मध्ये कन्वर्ट करण्यासाठी सुद्धा या ड्रिलिंग ऑपरेशनचं युटिलायझेशन होतं. So my request is to you, this is the introductory part of the drilling machine. I want to show you the drilling tool to everybody. Just wait. Now, can you see this is the drilling tool? Can you see it?
Yes, sir. Yes,
And you
sir.
can see there are multi-point cutting. So cutting points I want to show you. This is cutting point number 1, this is cutting point number 2, and this is cutting point number 3. And these are nothing but the helical fluids. बघा, हे असं जातंय, हे पलीकडनं असं रोटेट होतंय, पुन्हा पलीकडनं हे असं येतंय. This edge, these are known as the helical fluids. You can see here this helical fluid in this way. इथं काय आहे? गॅप आहे. You can see the gap over here in this space. Material is removed from this gap. Okay, so this is the cutting tool. Okay, some companies are there which are just manufacturing the drilling tools or the tools required for the workshop technology. Okay, Here different types of the drilling tool you can see, but here you can see the helical part, helical libs. You can see here. Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
हे बघा, हे helical gap हा दिसतोय तुम्हाला, फ्लुट्स, helical fluids. Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So drilling tool is a multi-point cutting tool. Always keep in mind. Let us see some more drilling tools. Is it there or not? No. Here, the portable drilling machine you can see on the screen, gun-like structure. Have you seen it?
Yes, sir.
And different types of the drilling tools are provided over here. Depends on the size of holes. Hole ची साइज बघा एकदम छोटी, एक 2-3 mm पासून ते चांगली 10 mm पर्यंतचे जे काही टूल्स आहेत ते टूल्स तुम्हाला ड्रिलिंग टूल्स या ठिकाणी दिसतील. ओके, these are the drilling tools of the different kinds of the holes. You can see it. Here the drilling tools with the different material you can see. Okay. Now the drilling tool concept is clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So I request you, without wasting the time, please write down these all points related with the drilling machine, because this drilling machine, pillar type drilling machine, we are going to learn. आपल्याला ती पोर्टेबल ड्रिलिंग मशीन गन सारखी स्टडीला नाही आहे. आपल्याला स्टडीला कोणती मशीन आहे? पिलर टाइप ड्रिलिंग मशीन आहे. ओके, and this is the diagram of the pillar type drilling machine. But before moving towards this particular construction, I request you to write down these all introductory part in your notebook immediately, without wasting time. Do it fast.